Eno dichi maber kendo kamaro maro medo wa jahera malulu TV ma indien kukumaro wach koran je Fulombaka ma indien cheno makelo kinde ka kinde kendo temo rango weche chilaria dek madhi nyime e pacho kaindi odiochieng' kawuono kod rawere studio kaindi wadwa ng'eyo gimomiyo odwa donjo e weche go mag siasa motegno ka ng'iyo saniri oganda wuoko ni kod kocha ka gidwani mondo gichung' mondo gitine jopiny. Abro miye thuolo mondo mosu nyiso nyinge kaito obro dhi nyime kod twak machalo kamano waki studio dichi makawuono. Moso ganda maneno Lulu TV King yo picha chande kamera chande bondo inyisi ni to in nga county ni mane to en ang'o ma idwaro miwan kodi studio di chiwo kawuono.
Jokanyana mne jok man kod e program kawuono ma watch an nyinga iluongo ni Ojijo Tula an jakarachuonyo Kindu Bay Town mane dalawa to sani an resident ma Dandora phase 4 koro sasa work to an one of the contenders machung a ward kanyo endo in the position of MCA ward 4 and 5 mabe niluongo chon ni 64B erokamano kanyo
Dandora 4 and 5
Dandora 4 and 5
erokamano nya Ojijo wacho ni inojejo wuode karachuonyo nyisone to en ang'oma omi gombo kata ang'oma omi ilo mabende saniri kuro iamwa nini kaka Ojijo dwani mondo donjire weche mag siasa gina ng'o gini midwani mondo ikel.
Okay, gimomiyo adonjo e weche mag siasa en ni leadership mosebedoga.
Yes.
Mostly jok ma youthful pok yudoga their part in it. Nikech jok mosebedo katelo king'iyo their age brackets to gin jok moko ma odongo. Koyudo ni mostly youths osebedo kowegi chien nikech ng'ama nyalo articulate issues gi onge. Kendo kichak ing'iyo pande mar wamama, joma mine gin be osewegi chien nikech koro issues moko ni ok ginyal koro gin labda gima ginyatimo kende enana to take care of weche mag kitchen.
Yes.
But koro kabire position mar MCA sana en about representing the people.
Yes.
Koro representing jikai any the people nyaka bed ng'ato manyalo wuoyo on their behalf. Koro wuok mara en ni mondo articulate issues mawango in the ground ma really touching on common man gi jite man kanyo as residents teman tie kanyo. Koro mano inspiration mango mondo me achung' e koma kamano.
Awinjo ka itemo wacho kanyero ni jok ma osebedo ka chung' ok gin rowere. Bende nitiere line e kind telo kachiel kod iga.
Okay, a leadership kai is all about a person who can offer leadership. Yeah, koro,
irrespective of the age.
Yeah, irrespective of the age. Because age is just a number.
Yes.
And koro it doesn't depend on which mo kaka labda kaka ngato nyalo kata mana reason and anything mo nyalo offer is not determined the age mare.
Yes.
Koro age bracket mantie sani most people enanani there are people who are 35 and above. Koro you don't need within the youth osbedo kagin inferior in that you feel need their inexperience and politics is for the big men. Koro osebedo kagin chien sana. Koro leadership mantie sani. Okay, in as much as osetimo some things mabe can be tangible, but yes, much has not been done. Koro just want to top up and we can make it better if we can work together as youth plus women and even some old people who can support us for this time. Koro in leadership is inclusive regardless of jokmani age group. Maybe I can say I'm a youthful person.
Yes.
Lakini kasedonjo kacha representation is for all of us. Nikech shida ma affectwa does not care ni age ni and money. Koro leadership mantie is cutting across.
Yes.
Yeah. Koro
wacho ni mano ere leadership madandora 4 and 5.
Yes.
To inano kasa nieri inyalo wacho ni telo ma osebedo godo nyaka nochak bedo kod sirikal ma gweng kata devolved systems 2013. Inyalo wacho ni ineno ka MC maru osebedo ka otimo tije e yo machalo nade to gin bugni mane mineno manyisi kaka Tula ni nitiere gima inyalo timo mopogore.
Okay, penjo no ber. Koro kadwa respond king'io sana mondi the meaning mar MCA.
Yes.
En ni mondo I represent ji.
Yes.
A county government. Nikech sani kalore gi constitution mano bedo dispensed machiegni ni. The other year cannot tim referendum.
Yeah.
Ji no yie ni koro sani leadership goes from national to be with the people pinka. Whereby leadership manya be with the people and that which is within the county government. Koro wards okay like cells ma govern people so that at least in the county assembly mantie kucho they have someone who can represent them. And when you talk about representation and about articulating issues ma are affecting people on the ground, Koro all of them cannot get an opportunity to air their concerns about ma touch gi Koro that's why they have to come up with someone, an individual makro nyalo wuoyo on their behalf. Yeah, that is what we call representation or mano e tich mar
to sani bende iparo ni ma un godo sani nyalo wacho ni osetiyo machalo nade sani okay. Ni un kod current MCA Madandora 4 and 5 ene nyalo wacho ni ang'o mineno ka osetimo maber, ang'o mineno ka bugni magi mantie momeyo in bedi kod ilo mar chung kaka Tula.
Okay, bugni mantie en ni kwang'io developments nego benisi team most of them are lying team and some mosebedo kotim are unfinished. Like kapesa no work ma tamaking, there are those access roads ma within the world ma are affecting on people. Gini majitiogo eye kanyo. Kwa hiyo ni most of the wards ma around us, Kinyo Ward 3, Kinyo those others ma around us, everywhere is pavemented. You know. Koro one to kwa the Kinyo Ward 4 and 5. The only section most time Selosla Morokanyo Matin is not even up to standards. And area Morokanyo Machakore Karia to the Cameroni Mtimoja. Koro Kinyo areas modong ntie mowe mang'eny. Koro I don't know definition ma the current leadership any area Machakore Kanyo Kabiro Kalo DM Junction Kae Kadinya Kamwalo Mtimoja FS4. Neno. Koro ntie katamana seclusion Kinyo Phase 5 they are not feeling part of the leadership. In fact, yeah, Kitchen and Ward 4 and 5. You don't need everything that is touching on Dandora is just about Phase 4.
5 years.
5 years for the reason that mostly they are not actively involved in politics Makanyo. Koro they have been neglected for such reasons. Okay, it's like Phase 4 is the hub of politics, Ward 4 and 5. Good. Mane kama jingenye. To gine magi influence the voting pattern.
Mane kama jotelo concentrate.
Good. Kanye makro jotelo, ngiyo gani ki talk about Ward 4 and 5.
Yes.
To man is the hub, in a bit politically, economics and all that.
Yes.
Koro, yido makatamana ni party office, ni manakawani kechkinyo Tandora Ward 4 and 5, and stronghold Ward DM. Koro the party office is right there in Ward 4. Koro mano most people are actively involved in politics. Gina clogging around the office there. Koro those other people, they feel they are far away. And it is expanse. And kamaduo koro kocha, you don't again, most of them are not in politics, but they are forgetting Nikucho. Nteji mangenbe, ma should be part of us. Koro one thing that we are going to ensure is to make sure that anything that is happening there is distributed evenly. So that Jomoka are not feeling ni Jomoko, nigi priority mambele, than Jomamoko. Koro mano is what we want to do. The very first thing, and everything that is going to be done is going to touch on every part of Phase 4 and 5. Given that Nikoro, we are one ward, the 64B that we are talking about. Koro mano is elimanti. Koro kanya wacho, another problem Mosebedo kanyo, any mostly leadership Mosebet is not accessible at all. Yeah, in fact, what I can say.
Okunyale chopo irjatelo.
Good.
In kendi ko so ganda makuno.
Is a common thing that everyone is complaining about.
Only office.
Office in here, but the office itself
is
just a common place. But Koro, you can go there. You don't have line board.
Yes. Majo madwana na jatelo.
Good. Majo madwana jatelo. And mostly jatelo is not there. Koro, some people, they follow him to the house. Koro, apani to make people access the leadership. Apani, what we can do, we can create some small offices of the MCA within the people, so that people themselves can have some representatives. Magi balance in terms of gender and even age. Even for people, kawangi an elderly woman, another elderly man, a youthful guy, then another lady. Then Koro gibero jomori percent kanyo, so that any issues should reach the MCA. Bedo you don't mind in this their small offices. Then MCA can make a timetable. Makoro oromo gijogi separately. Koro kwacho katania within 1 month gigo divided into 4. Then each week oromo gijogi. Then another thing that we can do, we are going to have some kamkunjis whereby a given cell expands maduong, we have a common forum. Maji bete to assess near goals one again mag. To what have we done? To what is quite urgent we should address before other issues. Koro apani, when we do that, then the people are going to feel that the leadership is within them. So you don't have to go to a common office, unapanga laini hapo, you even don't know ka ang ni chop kanyo. And mostly kaji near line, you don't mara mingi, psycho fans kata mana joma close to the MCA ema bedo gina first man nene. You can go there every day, and even you can be the first person to be on that bench. You don't need someone who has come late, maybe iluongo Monday before you are called. Koro such things osimuji mang'eny oseluso magiwacho ni they have no one representing them. Koro they're just operating without anyone in their mind that we have a leader on the ground.
So in terms of service delivery, inyalo wacho ni area uma 4 and 5 Dandora. Inyalo wacho ni ochalna de kopogore kod telo mwacho ni ji duto okorwaki service delivery chalona.
Okay, service delivery anyalo wacho ni most of the things money will be trickle down to the people in terms of bettering the lives of the residents are not coming, and if they are coming, gibedo mteka magilale togi chopo pinga. Like services the people can get from the county government as at now. Anya wacho ni ntie kaka kinyalo las gi Kenya Power so that constant blackouts go every day and again. Wanyalo ng'io kaka bedo sorted out on Dandora Ward 4 and 5. Mostly we can stimalal almost ng'enyne a given day. Okay, Yoala, they have to survive. Like people who are dealing with things that are depending on electricity to run, they have nothing to do. Okay? Generator is expensive, and if you can have one, they are being get mokomaro phone to breakdowns and repairs. Ineno. Corridor in a given day, before the day ends, you are not sure an istimane lal sadi. Samoro olal for a whole day, business ochunga and such things no katimore. Kasto kendo koro miu usalama bebedo marach. Nikechingene samantie blackout, maybe you extend into the night. Yes. You don't know you are meeting who. Koro jimange nyalo ka that opportunity to steal from people, even to kill and all that. Koro mao gik manyalo bedo solved at once. Nikechineno, what is happening? We have neighbors. King on the other side, the other side. That place has never had any blackout. Yeah. Talking here from phase 1 Kibiro, Nyaka, a junction, Miloni 41, Kamante Cooperative Bank, you don't need Kanyo Steamer is ever present. Koro, only this place, Mawane phase 4 and 5 Kai, this word, Emma Steamer Lale Pile, and no one is raising this issue. To Katamana high voltage transmission line.